Hello and welcome to today's daily message. Throughout this week, I've been discussing four of the major characteristics of Jesus' ministry and preaching. That he was a healer, that he used the power of God not to oppress, not to bring people down, but to heal them. I talked about how Jesus shared meals with anyone and everyone, and that these meals were a sign of the unity that Jesus sought to bring to the world. I talked about Jesus and his wandering throughout the Galilean countryside, he and his followers. And I said that wandering was a sign of Jesus' absolute and complete trust in God and God's love. And then I talked about Jesus' radical equality, his treating everyone the same because every person he encountered, he knew was created by God and was therefore his brother or his sister. When all of these characteristics are put together, they constitute the primary focus of Jesus' message, which was the reign of God, the reestablishment of God's sovereignty, both in Israel and in the world. And by doing these things, he believed that the Romans, who were in charge of Israel at the time, would be defeated. He so believed in the power of healing and unity and trust and equality that he believed that those acts of love could actually defeat the mighty Roman Empire. These four themes remain valid and important for us today because we still have the ability to defeat tyranny and injustice when we use God's power to heal, when we build unity, when we place all of our trust in God, and when we treat each and every person whom we encounter as a brother or sister of because each person is a son or daughter of God. Thank you so much for watching this week, and I hope you have a great weekend.